end, because at the end I will share with you the secret marketing strategies I used to sell out on the exhibition I attended. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vetri Otu. I'm a food vlogger, chef, and a cake designer currently residing in Asaba, Nigeria. On this channel, I share videos on cakes, cake business, food business. I also teach you how to cook mouth-watering dishes. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the strategies I used to sell out in the exhibition I attended. Over the weekend, I went for an exhibition where I had to showcase some of my products for sale. But before I go into the strategies that helped me to sell out, I would want to, give you an overview of what trade fair or what an exhibition is. A trade fair is a large gathering where companies come to showcase their products and services for clients and also for prospective clients. The idea is to make sale, whether now or in the future. So I'll be sharing with you why you should attend trade fairs or exhibitions as a company. A trade fair or an exhibition, it's a very great marketing tool, and there are several reasons why you should participate in exhibitions or trade fairs as a company. Attending a trade fair or exhibition is a very great way to meet new clients for your business and even new suppliers. Now, a trade fair, it's a gathering of both suppliers and buyers and sellers. So it's a very great way for you to meet suppliers, new suppliers, supply you raw materials that you need for production. And also, it's a great way to meet both old clients and also prospective clients, new clients. So this is a great way. Attending exhibitions or trade fairs is a very great way to meet suppliers and also prospective customers for your business. Secondly, attending trade fairs or exhibition is a way to increase brand awareness. In other words, making people know more about your business, creating visibility for your business. So if you are thinking of how to create more visibility for your business, then you should think about attending or participating in trade fairs. For any business to succeed, you must have the ability to retain old customers and attract new customers. So participating in exhibitions are great ways in which you can bring new customers to your business. It also helps provide networking opportunities where you get to meet new people in your industry, where you also get to learn more about your industry and also other industries. You network with people. Your network determines your net worth. Participating in trade fairs also help to boost your sales and of course increase your profit, because you'll be making sales and invariably also make profit. Trade fairs or attending exhibitions is also a great way to launch a new product. So this would also help you see the reaction of customers to your product, to your pricing, to your packaging. It's a very great way to launch that new product you want to launch. It will help you see how people will react to this product or service, and also help you see how people will react to your pricing and everything that has to do with this launch. You can even have people write surveys or feedbacks for you. This is a great way to go when launching a new product or trying out the market for your new product. Also, attending trade fairs, it's also a great way to participate in discounts and offers. Most times, companies that come for trade fairs, run discount sales and also have exciting offers. So you could also be part of these offers and discount sales. So I'll be sharing with you some of the strategies on how you can prepare for your exhibition. Please watch this video to the end, because at the end I will share with you the secret marketing strategies I used to sell out on the exhibition I attended. Okay, so if you intend to attend an exhibition, the first thing you should do is to have a plan and set your goals. So for this exhibition I attended, I started over 3 months before the exhibition to plan. When planning for an exhibition, these are the factors you have to consider. and write down how much do I want to make in the exhibition. For instance, if it's 100,000 naira, you write it down. Next, how many products or units of my products do I have to sell to make 100,000 naira? You also write it down. Next, what varieties of products do I have to come with for the exhibition? In my own case, I displayed coconut cake, marble cake, vanilla cake, chocolate dessert cake. I also had chin-chin. If you're watching from outside Nigeria, chin-chin is a Nigerian snack. I had 2 different pack sizes of this chin-chin, the classic chin-chin brand. Beside the variety of products you will be offering at the exhibition, the next point to note down is what raw materials, equipment, and resources do I need for this production? For instance, if you're going to be producing cakes, chin-chin, small chops, whatever variety of products you intend to display at the exhibition, what are the resources that you require? What are the raw materials? What is the cost of the raw materials required to produce, to come up with these products? How many people will help in the production? Both human resources, that's manpower, equipment, finances. What is the cost of the raw materials? What resources do I need for this product? Another point to note is how many people will be helping you in production? What number of staff, both ad hoc staff or employees, do you need for this production? Next, you also need to consider the people that will be going with you for the exhibition. You need to write this down. What number of people can I afford? How many people will go with me for the exhibition? Next, how do I convey the people that will be going with me and the products to the exhibition site? Then what is the cost of transportation? Then you also have to consider the cost of transportation and also consider how to factor in some of this cost into the products that you'll be selling at the exhibition site. So there are lots of things you have to sit down and plan if you must have a successful exhibition. There are also other requirements you would need when going for an exhibition. Roll up banners, flyers, complimentary cards. This will help customers contact you in the future after the exhibition. So you will also need packaging materials like your branded nylons, branded cartons, branded bags. Next, you also need price tags to help you put a price on your products nicely. You need to print your account details, account numbers on a plain sheet of paper to enable customers make transfers. Okay, if you can get a POS machine, that would also be great. You would need a tablecloth and also decorate your stand. This will help make your exhibition stand attractive to customers. You would require product display trays or product display stands for exhibition. You also need extra lights or lighting, especially if the exhibition will run into the night. My secret marketing strategies that helps me to sell out is have some people or marketers go out with your products into the crowd, to invite people to your stand or even to make sales. You don't have to sit down at a point just waiting for customers to come. Have people go out to look for customers, look for clients and bring them to your stand to see your products. Prior to the exhibition, let people know, place adverts and let people know that you'll be having an exhibition, or run adverts on social media, make posts on social media, make phone calls to friends and family, inviting them to come over at your exhibition. Finally, run promotions. It could be 30% discount, it could be buy 3 and get 1 free. These are offers that will attract customers and make them buy from you. If the video was helpful, kindly like, share and comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed.